this out. This is the 2020 Forest River Salem 36 VBDS. Tons of exterior storage, power tone jack. Look at this. Lit outdoor speakers, dual entry, LED awning, power awning. But let's get inside through these awesome glass doors. Do have the heated and enclosed underbelly with removable underbelly panels. But here inside, it is slick. Well lit everywhere. Awesome entertainment center with the Furrion 30-inch fireplace and soundbar. Front, got a bunk room. This is the new Versa bunks. These flip up and make into a bunch of different configurations. Got power outlets everywhere, TV brackets. Check this out. All the different layouts. Alright, back into the living area. Tons of storage underneath. All the furniture. As well as this being called the Versa Lounge. You can put this in different setups. Different configurations. Here we go. Check it out. Versa Lounge. Google it. You'll love it. Huge, huge, huge counter space. Etching on the glass. Nice size stove and oven here. But look at this Whirlpool refrigerator. Whirlpool refrigerator. Let me undo this real quick. Got that for storage. So it doesn't fling open and ding anything up. But look at this. An actual size refrigerator. So all of the useless stuff you have in your refrigerator home, if you're like me, you can bring with you on all your camping trips. Huge dual basin sink, residential style faucet, and now let's go to the bathroom. Alright, got this awesome shower with a protruded shower curtain hanging. Look at that. Tons of space. Skylight, huge, huge, huge. I mean, I'm 5'7", so I can fit in a small space, but I mean, I can almost reach my arm up, and there we go. Here's the ceiling. I can extend my arm all the way up. Over here, toilet, vanity, tons of storage, mirror. But then there's this door. And you're in the back bedroom. Here in the back bedroom, you have your own entry and exit, cable hookup, outlets, storage here, and a closet where you can actually hang stuff and not have it bundled up at the bottom. Ain't that cool? Got the bed. Got the USB outlets on both sides. 110 outlets on both sides as well. Lighting above the bed. Check out that wood slap backsplash behind the bed. Awesome lush carpet. Check out the floor. The floor in these new Salems is awesome. This is my favorite floor out of any trailer that we have here in a lot. We got some nice trailers. So come check this out. We're here at Robbins RV in Idabel, Oklahoma, 1300 Northeast Lincoln Road. And of course, you can always visit us online at www.robbinsrv.com.